She used to look noon time 12 to 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 hours each day. 12 to 2 o'clock. Noon time. So one day, it was full moon night. He felt, oh, I can look the sun. So moon is easy for me. Why not? I can do moon gazing. So he said, and started looking the moon. Within 5 minutes, his eyes was get red and tears was continually flowing. He cannot tolerate. And then he left and he came down and he cannot see, he cannot stand, he cannot lie down. It is continuous process is going on. He also relaxed person. So he started realizing, what was the mistake of me? Then he said, oh, I was created my ego. I can't do it. So immediately he went up and he did pranam to the moon. So it is my ego. Please mercy me. I cannot. You can help me. Then only. So when he started again to the moon, within 5 minutes he was quite normal. So my brothers and sisters, we should not create the ego. That intellectual mind cannot be transferred. They have to work hard. They have to purify heart. They have to create our unconditional love with the nature. That is the main solution. This angle is the 45-degree angle. This is the air angle. This is the comfortable angle. Then we are looking to the center point of eyebrow. Then eyebrow is this pineal gland. This got connected with the sun. And then it is easier. We can give release the sense of this energy to the pineal gland. Then pineal gland will send that energy to the our cerebellum, where it will be metabolism, and then it will go to the brain and it will come down. This is another slide I will tell you. This is the 60-degree angle, water angle. Then your eyeball will go completely inside. Just listen to this and see that 60-degree angle. Then we can see the sun. Automatically we can drop down water elements from the nature. So we need not to drink water also, and we can manage with the nature from our own body, and from that nature we can do it. That is 75-degree angle. That 75-degree angle is the when we will attain the samadhi. When we will attain the samadhi, then only we can get that this angle. This angle physically it cannot be just do it. It will come on. It will come on own. It is happening. The 90-degree angle is the universe angle. And this angle is to extent as a Mahavatar Babaji he can do, and it is not possible for the normal human being, normal people. So this Sanyoga is not in one place, it is going actually all over the world. It was in Germany, Sweden, Iran. Just few days ago, few months, just October, month of October, I went here, and German I went there September, and Sweden also I went there this September. Other in India, 100 people was attended that meditation, and you can see the child also looking. 3 million people are practicing all over the world. So it is not for you only single people you are trying. Already testimony has been done that sun meditation has cured last stage blood cancer also. Those who was complete blind, they got back their eyesight also. So not only one or two cases, several cases we have. We know Sun Yoga has proved it can cure all the diseases and physical, mental, vital, spiritual, emotional, economical, psychological, all kinds of imbalance, all kinds of bad health, means ill health, we can get back the good health. So Sun Yoga is a great medicine. See how pain are not affected. This is that. This is our the normal brain. You know this is the cerebellum, and the pineal gland and pituitary gland. So here is a cerebellum. Cerebellum, 98% brain is the pool of the universal cassette. When universe was started creation, from that time to how much evolution has been passed, all the evolutionary cassette memory are there in 98% brain, and 2% of the brain in the cerebrum, that is the individual brain, means individual knowledge, and 98% brain is the universal knowledge. So samadhi, self-realization is nothing, just gut connection, 2% brain to 98% brain. You need not to go in the heaven, heaven is within, heaven is 98% brain, and we are 2% brain inside. So we are creating our the selfishness, narrow-mindedness, ego, jealous, everything. We have to overcome. We have to take off our screen, and then automatically we can get connected with the 2% brain to 98% brain. What is the Maya? What is the illusions? Illusions is not the sexuality, anger, greed, narrow-mindedness, ego, jealous. They are not that our illusions. If so, why nature has provided us? Sexuality is needed. Without sex, how I came here? How I am standing here? Without anger, can you live in this society? You will mask in the society. So everything are needed, but it has to be maintained our minimum requirement. Means we have to make it a balance. We are the imbalance. We are misusing. So that's why we are suffering. So illusions is our unlimited expectation. That is our Maya. That is the illusions. We have to take up our screen. We have to do our level best duty. But we should not expect the result. That is Gita used to say, Karmaneva Vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. We have to do our duty. We should not be expect our result. Result will come on time. So 2% brain is very important. There is a something is there. You see pituitary and pineal gland. So this is the when we are looking through the pineal gland, sun. When we are looking the sun through the pineal gland, then pineal gland receiving the sun cosmic energy, and it goes to the cerebellum. And cerebellum is a supercomputer. It makes the metabolism. 5 element energy it makes separating, and then 5 element energy goes to the 2% of brain, and there will be recorded, and it will be playback together, and then we are getting everything. And so then from that, this is our mind nerve. What is the internal process, internal connection, cerebellum, and our medulla oblongata, means our hypothalamus, pituitary and pineal gland. What is the internal connection? That is our mind nerve. And what is the after that getting all the 5 elements separating and recorded inside the 2% of brain? Then brain has got connected each and every cell, as our sister yesterday told, 60 trillion cells we have. So each and every 60 trillion of cells are got connected by the internal nerves. That is, that nerves will get connected through the brain, and it will get charged, it will purify, it will clean up. Then we can immediately we can get connected there, we can purify it. So this way, when we are looking the sun through the pineal gland, so pituitary gland is the master gland, always controlling but silent. So it is goes to there and goes to the 2% brain, and 2% brain to each and every cell, and got the purified. So all kinds of illness cells will be got purified. Then physical, mental, vital, spiritual, emotional, economical, psychological, all kinds of illness we can got cured. So Sanyoga is a great medicine. Yes, I am bringing to you today's very important part of our sharing our experience. This is Tapovan, where I get a chance to get darshan of Maha Avatar Babaji. Yes, it was 2007 month of December.